Hello guys, welcome to Noor Online YouTube channel. This is your boy. Well, today what we are going to talk about is how to increase your watch hour, your YouTube videos watch hour. Remember, YouTube as a requirements. Those requirements is to get 1,000 subscribers, which is very simple now that you can get 1,000 subscribers anytime. But the other part is how to get 4,000 watch hour for your video. 4,000 watch hour, the YouTube need them in order for you to qualify for monetization and make money online. And today this is what I'm going to show you, how or what trick you can use to increase your watch hour. I'm not talking about those who already monetize their videos. No, I'm talking about those who are new, the starter, the beginners, those who just start their YouTube channel. I will share with you some of the very important tips that can help you to increase your watch hour. And okay, without further ado, let's get into this. Let me go direct into what we are going to do today. Today, listen, I am going to show you what you can do. And before we go into what we can do, I want to share with you some of the crucial stuff that I think that can help you. I have uploaded this video today. It is called, this is Far Cry, One New Gun. This Far Cry, actually this channel I use it for gaming. It is only for gaming. Let me show to you. Go from the dashboard. You can see that I have like 5,567 subscribers right on this channel. This channel is still they haven't yet monetized it because I have a few watch hours, but I'm trying though, and I'm going to show you the trick to get there the same way I've been doing. Here from monetization here, I already have let's see, I have 5,567 subscribers, and then I have 2,572 public watch hours. You can see from my channel. I was uploading more videos on my channel, but nobody's watching them, so I use other trick to get viewers to watch my YouTube videos. So the trick that I will use is for your own benefits, but you need to make sure that you follow it correctly, because if you don't follow correctly, YouTube algorithm will remove your watch hours if they find out that you've been cheating. Okay, so remember the trick that I'm going to share with you. So first, let me show you what I use. Okay, on the content here, we have content. For my first video, this is 6-minute video. Let me click it. Okay, this one. This is 6-minute videos. As you can see, this video right here, I have to go to analytics. That's analytics right here. On the analytics part, let's say this is 6 minutes and 40 seconds. Only 37 people watch it, and then you can see that I have a watch hour of 16. Okay, just 37 people watching the video, you get 16 watch hour. Okay, so 16 watch hour, they are too much you got just for one video. But if you use the same style that I was using, you can even get more than 16 watch hour per video. It means that you need to upload a video longer than 6 minutes. You need a video with 10, 12, 30 minutes, or even 1 hour. Especially 1 hour video is very important. So I would encourage you to upload a 1 hour video in order for you to qualify for the watch hours. So this is the trick. The first trick is this. As long as you have this browser called this is a browser, we call it, it is Chrome. On Chrome, there is something that you have to do. There is an icon right here. This is a small icon up there, you know, at the right corner there, at the right corner indeed. So all you gotta do, you click this small button. This is small icon. So you look for something called art. There is art here. This art right here, down here. If you do not have all these things that I already shown you, see all these things, they are the icon that I created using this trick. I created around around 16, or it's a 20, the N1 is 20, they are many, right? So this 16 account, I use them to watch my videos. They are separate account, but actually they do not have email address. So I use them to increase my watch hour or watch time. The watch time that I'm increasing, they are not for YouTube monetization. I mean, they are not the video that are already monetized, but they are for the video or for the channel which is about to be monetized, because you need 4,000 watch hour to reach the monetization requirements. So if you know that you are in this place, what I want you to do, go direct into this thing called art on window browser, or this browser right here. You go to this small icon and then click it. All you gotta do is simply add. You can add it. Let me show it to you, and then this screen will appear. As you can see in this screen, we have this screen. Okay, this screen will appear. Okay. In this screen, we are going to continue without an account, because if you sign in, this is another agenda. So, and we do not want to use this trick using our very own email address or our very own account. We want to use it for only a watch hour. We want to use it as a guest. So we are going to click continue without account, and then we are going to give it a name. Like I already shown you there, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to 15. So let's simply call it YT watch. Okay, so just simply a name. You can give it a name, okay? It doesn't matter. You can even give it a color just to identify it when you open it. So I give it a black, so I will say done. I click done right now. So this is what we have. So let me simply close it and go back into this place right here. Okay, now we are already on the browser, and then you have to go back to what I shown you earlier. You go back to this thing called this picture right here, the picture of your account. So you click it, and then you need to look for the account which is a guest account that you created. You can create a number of accounts there, but for now, because you already know the trick how to create them, you can do it on your own time. So what we are going to do next is simply go direct into the name or into the account which you created. You can create as many as you like I already created all of this. Now what we just create, it is called YT watch, which is this one right here down here. So you can simply click this, and then this screen will appear. Let me close it. So this screen will appear. As you can see, this is YT watch. It is a different account from what I'm using. Okay, so the other trick which is very important that you have to follow is simply goes direct into your system. Let's go direct into this place again, this one, this 3 dot, and click new incognito window. This is very important. When you open that account that you are about to use for watch hour, or that you are about to use to watch your video, simply click new incognito window, or which is called private window. Let's say you are using Mozilla, or you are using Opera Menu or other browser. What you're going to do is simply go to this 3 dot and look for new incognito window, or it's written private in other browser that you can use. Because if you are using Chrome and you are using other stuff, which means that the name will be different, but they perform the same way. So we use new incognito window or private, and then we have to click. Now this is private. You can see it from here. You've gone incognito, or you've gone on private browser. So here this is a very nice trick that you can use. So now what we're going to use, this window that we open, which is YT watch, we are going to close it, unless if you have another account that you want to open. Let me open another account, because I already opened the other account, and then let me click one. Let's just imagine that it is a window, it is an account that you already created. Okay, and what we're going to do in the same account again, we are going to use new incognito window, which is a private. Okay, now we can close this, and we are going to close this again. So now we have this private window from different account. So within those account, we have YT watch account, and we have 01, or which is one account. They are guess all of this two browsing that we just opened, and they are private browser. Okay, so you can add as many as you want. And before you proceed, remember that you need to create a a playlist from your YouTube. I'm also going to show you the trick because I want you to understand it clearly. Let's go direct into this channel right here. We can simply go direct into our videos and then start adding more than 10 videos. We can be up to 1 hour. So we can add as many as we want as long as they will reach 1 hour. And then after that, we are going to create a playlist. Okay, let me simply say 12 videos. Okay, you can see 12 videos. Now the next move is simply go direct into this thing called add playlist, and then I can simply add a new playlist from the system. But remember, we have to create a playlist which is public, not private, because when it is private, even if a million people watch your video, those watch will not be considered as a watch hour. It will be a waste of time. So simply click new playlist, and now you can give it a name. I will call it YT Watch. Okay, I'm using it Far Cry 1 because it is the other video that I already selected from the channel. So here we can simply create. But remember, we have something called visibility right here. So in visibility, we have private, we have unlisted. All we have to do is simply put it as a public. Okay, it has to be public. We can create the playlist. Then let's click it. Now we already create a playlist. If we go to under playlist right here, which is at the left side of the screen, a playlist, you can look for this thing called YT Watch Hour, which is YT playlist. Far Cry 1, it has only 12 videos on it. So remember this part, okay? So now we are done creating our playlist. The next move is to go direct into the private window, which is incognito window that we created earlier, so that we can watch our own videos. So the first thing that we're going to do while you are here, you simply have to go direct into your YouTube. Okay, youtube.com. there. So what we are going to do here, we need to look for the channel that we been using. Let's just simply say that your channel. Let's go to your channel. Your channel, the channel that I have is Dear Nyek Gaming. Okay, we can enter that. So now we are here, Dear Nyek Gaming. We are going to click this channel, and then we have we have playlists right here, and we have videos, we have community, we have channel, we have a bar. But what we need from this is playlist. So let's just imagine that is your channel. Okay, we need playlist, and we have to look for the playlist that we created earlier, and the playlist that we created is called YT Watch Far Cry 1, which is this one right here. So we can simply click that. When you click this, okay, you are going to pause it. Pause it, and then you can see the number of the playlist or number of the video that you put on the playlist, which are around 12. Okay, so we have 6, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, which are the minute that our video are going to play. So first, there are things that you need to consider here before you play the video or before you use it. We are going to set this. We are going to configure it. There is a setting here at the bottom of your video right here. There's something called setting here. You can click setting and then go direct into quality. You click quality and then you click 144p. The reason why we want to make the video quality, let's say your internet is very low, and you want your video to run smoothly without any problem, without any issue. So what we're going to do, we are going to click 144 direct from here. So the next move, what we are going to do next, okay, put it there. What we're going to do right here, we are going to change something again, some setting from here. We click the setting again, and we go direct into play speed. That's a play speed right down here. You can see it right now. So we click play speed, and we have to play it with 0.25. 0.25, it is equivalent to 4 minutes. When you upload a 1 minute video on your channel and you put it to play under the speed of 0.25, it means that your 1 minute video will play for 4 minutes. The same thing that we are doing right here, because you want your video to have more watch hour. So we are going to click 0.25. Now we have play speed with 0.25 and we have quality, which is 144p. Okay, now we are done. The next move is simply to click play there. Now it is playing, but there's the most important part right here. You need to decrease the volume, or you can keep it down, or you can remove the volume. Let me put it right here. You can simply decrease it or remove it totally. Sometimes you need to put it to 0.2, something like that. Okay, just like that. I think it is fine right now, because if you move it totally, sometimes YouTube cannot consider the watch hour, or you can even move it. It is up to you. So you can move it or give it a space or a small amount of volume so that it can play. So the next move is this. Now it is already playing. We are going to duplicate this this one. Okay, we are going to duplicate it into another tab. We are going to create a new tab. So to do that, we are not creating a new tab, sorry. We are going to duplicate the same thing that we did. We are going to duplicate it 10 times, okay? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then 10. Now we have done 10. There are 10 task tabs which are playing your videos 10 times. So now you can see, you can check up, and then you decrease the site. You put it to 144 because the speed is already default there, because you already changed it. But you can change all this stuff if your internet is very slow. So we can change it. We make it 144 up to the end, 10 of them. Okay, when you are done, just imagine you are done here. You have you already created this list, and this list is playing on your side. Okay, it is playing. What you're going to do next is simply to go to another browser and then do the same thing. So I already copied this one. I will put it on the next browser, which is a different account. Like I told you here, these are the two things that we create. I'm going to paste it there. I can simply play it, and then I will use the same trick again. These are the trick that I will use. I have to decrease the volume, and then quality has to be 144, and then play speed has to be 0.25. I can even duplicate it again, because it is the important part. You can duplicate it 10 times, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then 10. I think you are hearing this. So these two browsers, they will allow you to increase your watch hour. So up to here, if you found this useful, please hit the subscribe button or simply share it, because this way is how you can increase your watch hour. It is very important, and do not miss out any video I will be uploading. In this way you can increase your watch hour just like that. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Do not forget to share it, please.